are watching Classic Car Expo channel. In this video, I will highlight some of the most popular and sought after classic cars in America. Each classic car comes with its own unique price tag and could become your dream car. The prices of these classic cars range from $15,000 to $150,000. Why should you consider owning an American classic car? There is an undeniable charm about vintage car. Be it a classic Corvette or a Mustang, vintage car hold a nearly universal appeal. If you are hesitant about buying that beautiful classic car you have been admiring, here are 7 reasons to make the leap. First, they appreciate in value over time. Classic cars are historical artifacts that become more valuable over time, that making them a smart investment. Second, you meet fascinating people. The attention your classic car garner will introduce you to interesting individuals. Third, maintaining a classic car is like therapy. The process of washing, waxing, and detailing a vintage car can lift your spirit and clear your mind. Fourth is join the classic car show circuit. Fifth, classic cars bring joy. And sixth, pure love for the car. The most compelling reason is simply your love for the car.